Survey says, whoa, we need like, realistically, how much do we need? The blade's right there. Yeah, we need like 4 inches. Be clear. All right, backing up. Whoa, we got like 2-inch clearance, cutting clearance on each side. All right, I guess that's what we're gonna give it a try. That'll probably be the absolutely possibly longest log we can give a cut. Let's see what happens. You'll be the first to know. I usually don't cut them this long, but let's see what happens. And we'll cut. So that's on a flat cut. Yep. So I want to make sure that we cut the top and the cut part rests on the bunks into 3 places, so that it's going to be a level cut on the top. Sometimes if you get a dip and the board sits too low, or the log sits too low, and then it doesn't cut parallel. The 2 sides aren't parallel. All right. Well. I think what we have to do is clean up the other side just so it's straight. You don't need much, and then we're going to cut planks. And I don't know if you can see it here, but this is cut at an angle, so this part is too far, by an inch. So it's kind of interesting. I don't know what we would do if we got to that point and the blade wouldn't fit all the way. Okay, so we want to rotate. Okay. I think we can put it down lower. Well, let's leave it up a little bit. We gotta just level this off here. Alrighty. 30 minutes. And because we could, let's go have a look and see what that other end looks like. So way down here we're at red 10, so that's 10 inches. I think this middle is probably the lowest. All right, it looked like my SD card got full, so we stopped recording somewhere in the middle of cutting this piece here. So I downloaded the video clips, and now we have more room to charge the camera. So we're going to finish cutting this on up. We have that's actually from before, so we haven't actually got any planks out of this, so that's our next move. Carriage was going to clear this edge here because it's really close to the blade guide. I think we're gonna run a couple cuts, see what we got. Had some lunch, that was good. Some soup my wife had made. Downloaded the videos. And let's finish this up. Going to dinner with my brother around 4, so finish up. Let's go down here and take a look. So these are like 11 foot long, 1 inch thick. How many do we have? We have, this was a 1.5. Here's 1, 2, 3. We got 3 11 foot by 6 inches at most. But either we can use them like this, or we can cut pieces out of them for the boardwalk. Yeah, so that the big long log, that's what we got out of it. We got a lot of sawmill scraps, which we can either cut in smaller pieces for trail work, or cut in smaller pieces and sell as sawmill scraps for firewood, or put them in a chipper and make wood chips for trail work, or perhaps over here on our burn pile, maybe we will make some type of wood-fired kiln that we could treat our cut lumber. I think it's 160 degrees for 6 hours, or 140 degrees for 8 hours, something like that. Kills all the pests and bugs and stuff, and then I think you have to get the moisture down to something like 10% or whatever, so it doesn't warp and twist further. So my thought was, I got all this scrap stuff. I got a bunch of wood for firewood. I don't have a fireplace, but I could use it to power a wood-fired, somewhat type of kiln. Yeah, maybe we'll look into that as a next project. So this is our trolley jack. We made this, put this little bracket on here, kind of like a cradle to hold the log so it doesn't roll. And that seemed to work pretty good to jack it up, and we got the plank underneath. But what happened when I was pushing it over, I could push it all the way by hand, except when we get to here, you know, the board's resting on the rail and the bunk is up like 3 inches. So I think what we need to do is put this up on the top so it rolls right off. So I may have to put some type of boards across or something to get this up higher, or I don't know if that's gonna be stable enough.